Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two easy blood relationship problems for you. And here's the first problem. Pointing to a man, a woman said, "His mother is the only daughter of my mother. How is a woman related to a man?" As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve each problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. We are going to solve each problem using a pedigree method. So what we know, his mother, so we have a man, so he is a man, and we know that he has a mother and also has a father. Every person on earth has mother and father. Let's also change colors. So we are talking about this person, and his mother is the only daughter. So is the only daughter. Let's also add parents here. So she has father and mother. Now she is the only daughter of this couple. So she is the only daughter of my mother. And the question, how the woman is related to this man. The only daughter of my mother. The only daughter of my mother. So this woman have to be this one, the woman who is pointing to a man. So this woman pointing to this man, she is a mother of this man. So answer A. And second question, pointing out to a lady, John said, "She is the daughter of the woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother." Who is the lady? To a John. Again, let's start with the first part of the sentence. She is a daughter. So we are talking about female. So female here. She is a daughter means that we also have to include her parents here. So mother and father. Let's also change colors because we are specifically talking about this woman. She is the daughter of the woman who is the mother of the husband. That means that this woman should have one more child, and this is going to be male child. So let's add this male child because he is a husband. Only males can be husbands. So of the woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother. Husband of my mother means that this is going to be a John. So again, let's change a color, and with green color we showing John. So according to this pedigree, you see that this woman is a sister of the John's father. So she is an aunt of the John. One more time. Pointing out a lady, John said. So John, lady. She is a daughter. She is a daughter of the woman who is the mother of the husband of my mother. So he is pointing to his aunt. Answer A. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.